Hi, my name is Zach. I love cooking, and today I'm going to be making a basic burger recipe. To make the burger, you'll need mince, onion, lettuce, parsley, cheese, the bun, and tomato. To start off with, we're going to start cutting the onion finely. And a bit of salt. I'm going to be mixing it all through. Make sure you get it evenly mixed through so that you don't have little bits of just onion or parsley on their own. We're going to go over and cook the patty now. I'm just going to put that there. You're going to want to have it on a medium to high heat. I'm just going to put some oil in, just a little splash. You're going to want to pick it up and make sure you spread the oil through it. Then once heated up enough, you can probably grab it. Just put it straight in the pan. And then now we're going to check the burger, flip it over. That could probably go a bit longer on the other side. I might flip it again. Back over. You want it to be like a dark brown colour. We've finished cooking the burger, and now we're going to piece it together on the bun. So first, I'm going to get some onion, put some onion on the bottom, just like that. Separate it a bit if you'd like. You can put butter or anything really on the bottom that you like, sauce maybe. Now I'm going to put the patty just on top like that. And then cheese and the lettuce, which I'm just going to break into a small piece like that. And then the bun on top. Now I'm going to taste the burger. It tastes really good. I recommend you make it. Yum.